Alright, YouTube, I'm doing another bike check because I got some new parts. Alright, let's start here. Handlebars, they're Kink Uptown bars. Chromoly, Mission Helix scripts, ODI, bar ends. Mission coverage stem. Mission headset. I've got a Kink Volte fork, stack peg. Mission Echo front hub. The front wheel is I have kind of contact tires. The rim is Alienation. Got a red valve cap on that. You guys can see that, it's pretty cool. Let's go with the frame. The frame's a 2012 Kink Gap frame. The seat is a Kink Sean Sexton seat. Seat clamp Mission. Seat post stock. It's like metal or some shit. Crank are Mission Transit. Pedals are nice PC pedals. They're like plastic, but they're really slim and they're cool. I've got brakes on here, by the way. They're kind of gay. I'm gonna take them off. Let's see, I got a KMC chain, other side. Oh yeah, both stack pegs, pretty nice. I do double pegs and stuff. Shadow hub guard. I'll do a hub sound for you guys. Hold on. Alright, that's it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya.